It's not that cold.
Oh my God! You're lucky it didn't bug.
Can you get it for me?
No! I'm gonna take it back and keep it.
So on this freaking intro, we got Lug, we got JT, and let me flip this stupid thing away so I can see us. We got me. What's up, people?
We're gonna make some stuff today, some art.
We're gonna make some art today. We're welding stuff.
Yeah, tack and stuff for this.
Tackett's excited.
I woke him up.
Looks like he just woke up. We all just woke up, you know?
I've been up since 4:30.
You're that excited, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we're gonna go in here and get some nuts and bolts and some nuts. Stuff like that. Okay, bye. What are you laughing about?
I'm laughing because I turned the can like we're like sponsored by them. They shouldn't pay me for how many I drank. I was even talking to a guy at the dollar store.
Frick. Boy will talk for an hour if you don't stop him. I don't know, JT, what are you making? Goliath, gargoyle.
Yeah. So we're gonna go with how big do you want to pay? How big do you want this?
Do you want to make it?
That's the thing. It's like how big you want to make it. I think that would be easier because if I made it this big, you know, I think like a little bit higher, like a 16.9 ounce can.
Sure.
You know.
Whatever you think works.
So we'll go with.
Looking through all this crap here. They're still working on JT's gargoyle down there. Here's basically what I'm gonna have made. It's a Yoda. Baby Yoda, regular Yoda, I don't freaking care. Grogu, whatever you want to call him. That's the plan. Yeah, boy's hat. So I lost my bag. This has got somebody else's stuff in it. So I gotta try and find my bag. Hey,
What?
my stuff's up there, but I gotta go try and find a new bag.
Okay.
Because I don't have my bag. I gotta go find out where it went. I'll be back. I don't see any more. Maybe I left it over here in the dog area. I don't see it over here. Maybe Poe would like something though. Yeah, he'd like a muzzle. That's what Poe needs. Oh, there's where I left it. Alright. Put this back. Alright. I found my bag. We're good. Got my bag of crap here. JT, how's the gargoyle going?
I don't know.
He's still working on it?
You don't film this. Dude, it stinks like shit. Like, it's so bad.
Alright, so we got a bunch of nuts and bolts. We're gonna make some crap.
Hear that jangle?
Is that a pizza?
That's money. That's what that is.
It's nuts and bolts. Alright, so now we're gonna head back to Lug's lair and do some crap. I just want to take a minute to look at the old Southland Mall here. There's just nothing left, guys.
Hey,
Yeah.
inside stories.
Yeah.
And that's where I've been working.
Yeah.
And I welded up all the framework for the garage door, so if they ever fall, it wasn't my fault.
Used to be a J.C. Penney there, then a Stephen Barry's. Is Elder Bierman still there? I don't know if Elder Bierman's still there. You guys want to go to the mall and check it out? See what's left? You want to go home? Can we go to Del Taco first?
Ooh, that might be it. That might be it.
I mean, I know it's early, but we can get some Del Taco. Yeah.
Shit, sign me up. Let's go.
We're going to Del Taco.
I dropped my phone today, dude, already. A little bit. A little bit.
Well, our stomachs are full, and we're ready for this jabroni to make us some stuff. You ready to make us some stuff?
Yeah, dude.
I screwed up. Apparently, when I was backing up, I smashed the dog bowl here. Looks like I owe Gary Mason a new dog bowl. Let's look here. We got a Harbor Freight welder.
Hey, don't call it that. It's titanium.
We got a titanium welder.
The cart says Vulcan on it. So
Can I
covered up the
speak?
stickers.
Will you give me a minute to talk?
Yeah, you can give a tour of my workshop, sure.
Harbor Freight welder. What's this thing?
What's it say on it, you dummy? A bench grinder. Can you read? I'm sorry, dude. That was mean. That's how he talks to me, though. Well, I pull this out.
You weld out here?
Yeah, I come out.
Why don't
here.
you weld in there?
It's all made out of wood.
So?
Here's my little robot hand.
Oh, look. Okay, so here's his robot hand.
You can give him stuff. And you shut his hand.
Can you, like, show the camera in a correct way?
Oh, sorry.
That's how you want to hold it?
You're holding the camera. I could put it anywhere, and you should be able to follow it. It's like you didn't work. You didn't work for anybody with a camera, did you? Like one of them little sports guys.
All right, so there's his hand. And
here's the body.
can I go pee first?
Go ahead. You can go pee anywhere.
Hanging out here for
You can't go in my house.
Why?
You pee out here.
Why can't I go in your house?
It stinks in there. I got 2 cats.
Here's our crap here that we're. Here's a better shot of this hand because this jabroni doesn't know.
You look.
That.
Yeah, I broke it.
What the heck? You gonna explain some stuff to people what you're doing, but don't take 4 hours to explain it.
Oh no! Like we're making wings for Goliath, the gargoyle. That's good for that, and I think it's gonna be strong enough. Oh yeah. So if I bend this to the shape I want, I can tack the ends together to thicker metal, and we can use it for framework for stuff. So like the T-Rex that your dad wants and all that shit. But it's gonna be real nice for those wings. I'm gonna start on the gargoyle first, and then I'll probably jump around and do yours, and then I'll jump around after that and do the T-Rex. And then 4 or 5 months will pass, and then I'll get them all done.
So like, this is an official welding table, right? What's the difference? It's just a regular table.
It's just a metal table. And you put your,
What's the difference? I just use wood.
No, see, I'll explain this to you. So you're welding on wood, and see all these marks here? All those would burn into the wood. This is a mess because I was grinding on it forever.
Does wood catch on fire?
Yeah, it'll burn. You put this thing on your table like that, and now your whole table's grounded out, and you can weld on it. Which is nice. Real nice. Oh! You just gotta make sure you stand right here, and then when you get cold, you can just lay down. There ain't no filter in there, so it's okay.
Maybe I should set up the GoPro.
Dude, what the
Alright, so while that boy's hard at it, I'm gonna put these on because it's freaking bright out. At this time, I'd like to point out the fact that we now have these. Yep, that's right.
What's that?
Our own lapels.
Dang, I'll call that a lapel all day long.
So, here's the deal. I'm not gonna sell these things. I'm not gonna sell them. I think I bought 100 of them. And if you want one, just freaking get a hold of me somehow. I don't know, get on Facebook, get on Instagram, and say, hey dude, I want one of these. Here's my address. I'll freaking send it to you. It's totally free. Totally freaking free. Like, what more do you want, guys? It's free. I'm gonna give these boys 2 right now. Like I said, I made 100 of them. When they're gone, they're freaking gone. I will never make them again. Never make them again. So yeah, if you want one, reach out to me. I'll give you one. JT, pick you one out of there, bud. Pick you out the best one.
I think that's the best one right there.
Frick. All right, so JT got the best one. Lug, you want the second best one? Hey, hey!
What?
Get a lapel!
Whoa, shit, dude. Dang, son. I'm about to put that back.
What do you think? They look pretty good, don't they?
Dude, that's like nice.
Pretty
man.
good.
Put that on right now. Oh, shit, I dropped it. Hold on.
Wow. I literally just gave him that and he's already trashing the stupid thing. Are you, like, you're gonna hurt yourself? Did you put the back piece on?
Oh, I thought you were supposed to stab
Oh
him.
my frick. I come over here and you quit doing stuff?
Well, I dropped this. I need to get this thing mounted better. I had another magnet in there. Did a pretty good job of holding them on there. But,
What, holding this?
yeah, because I'm getting... It feels like it's sturdy.
frick.
Maybe I'll set this behind it. So we got this bad boy is gonna be the guy's torso. And then, I knew I had a big nut, but I wasn't sure. But I think I might try to cut this in half. I don't know, man. Do not know. I'm gonna take this out right here. I do this because I'll get messed up, and then we're gonna go about center. Actually, well, we're gonna go from here up like that, across here. Hold on, I gotta check something.
He's a professional.
This thing's pissing me off actually because it's splattering like the. Like, it shouldn't be splattering that much.
What's splattering?
The whole thing. It's not doing anything that it's supposed to do.
Oh yeah, it's splattering all over.
Are these welds like just test welds you've done?
This is when I first got it. This is the last weld I did right here. The is my little hammer.
Dang, that looks pretty good.
I need you to do me a favor. I need you to go to my car and open the trunk and get that extension cord with the 3 plugs on it, because every time I go back and forth I have to keep plugging this shit in. I got my welder going no good though.
What's this thing you're wearing? What's this thing?
Boy, it's cruising. It's my helmet. Did you just unplug it? God damn, dude.
What's it doing?
It's putting air into my face so I'm still breathing these toxic fumes. It's really hard to plug in, so.
Maybe you shouldn't have a crappy welding helmet.
Well, you know, when you build it out of spare parts, it's only a...
What do you need me to do?
Go get my extension cord out of the trunk of my car.
What do you look like under there?
What?
There you are.
Because I'm going to try to make a bat.
Can I stand right here while you weld?
I don't recommend it, but... We're f***ing lucky that bitch was up there. Me. Take this bad boy over to the dunking tank, cool her off.
Is there actually a dunking tank?
You didn't think I had a dunking tank, did you? Thought I was kidding. So these are gonna be the shoulders, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna mount them kind of like this. Or I might just mount them flush, but I think they look better like that. The boy's got some cannons on them. Goliath ain't no bitch. Hey, what do you think about that shoulder? Yeah? Yeah? Alright, got the pass from Jordan.
Trying to get some different camera angles for you guys. Climbed up here. Try to get a better angle here. Get an update over here.
Okay, well we got
Is this hot?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's got the temporary head on it because I just don't have the right stuff I want to make a nice one. I was making this ball bearing one and I just don't have, I did all that with an angle grinder and it doesn't look like much, but the nose was coming in, it's just too much.
That'll work.
I got,
and what do you got here?
these are gonna be, actually this might be too big. The plan was to make
And
these
you're gonna make
arms.
those as cannons?
Yeah, that was the plan. I think they might be too big. I might need to get a long, skinnier socket, like a 10 or something. But I was gonna grind the sides flat. That's what I was gonna do. But check that
I
out.
don't really think it's that bad.
Sears.
Hang on. Wow, look at that.
This is so cool, man.
You're gonna try and cut that in half.
Yeah.
That thing's gonna fly out. Yeah, I'm not standing there for that. You got something in your ear?
Yeah, because this is loud. I can't hear after I take them out.
Oh. So what are you doing?
I'm gonna just pause this guy. I'm gonna probably finish this little piece so I don't lose my train of thought on it. Weld that son of a bitch on there.
Okay. And then you're gonna work on my Yoda?
Yeah, I'm gonna get your Yoda done real fast.
Okay, cool.
And then, dude, this thing's gonna be sick, bro. It's gonna be sick. The wings I'm looking forward to making. For some reason, I thought I bought nails, but I could use this for the framework because this stuff actually sticks pretty good. I was surprised. I have a piece of it down in there somewhere. Then I gotta get a back piece for this, which I think I'm just gonna get. Grind this to where it's almost flat. Tie his back in, dude. And then I can hook his wings to it. I kind of want to make his wings come off. Like just have them sit in there, and you can take them out and put them in.
Let me see it. So we're pausing production here.
Yeah, because I'm
putting way too much work into it, but there's what we got.
It's getting there.
Actually, I mean, it looks good.
I'm gonna try to make his hands out of a piece of washer, and his forearm. I'm gonna try to find I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna try to find a piece of metal or a fatter bolt, and I'm gonna grind it to the shape of the forearm. Because you know, forearms are kind of cone shaped. You know, it goes down to the hand.
But for now, we're gonna switch to Yoda.
Yeah.
So,
which is like.
I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I want. I'm envisioning here. Let me do a cool little transition here. Made me move it over here, but you know, here it is. All right, man. You got 10 minutes. Get to work.
Could hit all the insides of those, make it look stronger. Knowing you'll probably throw it on the ground after you get it anyway.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do. How'd you know?
try.
You messed up a little bit on the top there, but you know.
Yeah, I mean, you had all the nuts corner to corner on some of them. It's a sad Yoda. It's a normal, monotone Yoda.
I love it. Is it hot?
Yeah.
You got a dunky dunk?
It probably ain't that hot, but hot enough to sizzle.
Hot enough to sizzle. Lay that bad boy down. Let's get a good look at it here. Lay it down there.
What?
Lay it down there. I want to get a good freaking...
Yeah, it's really not that straight or round, but it's good enough for who it's for.
Oh. Is that the thumbnail?
Yeah, to suck in my gut.
Okay. Yeah, so did some welding today. It's really cold. Me and JT spent a lot of time in the truck, staying warm. Lug did a lot of welding. You want to bring out Yoda over here, Lug?
Huh?
Bring out Yoda over here. So the Yoda's done. Here it is. Here's the Yoda.
Up with a torch. Brought over here.
It is kind of still a little warm.
Yeah, it's a nice little handle.
Yeah, it is. He uses a weapon
Dude.
as well.
It's brass knuckle. It's
So,
a joke. It's not a Yoda. It's for hitting people.
Pretty happy with it. Thank you.
Yeah,
good
no
job.
problem, dude.
JT, sorry about your gargoyle. It's not done yet.
Dude, it's gonna be worth the wait.
We'll have to do an update video at some point. With the
I can
gargoyle.
get some footage too.
Thanks, guys, for watching. JT, you're not even in the video. You're not even in it. Go over here.
Oh shit.
There we go.
Bring it in.
All right. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this, and it wasn't a complete turd of a video. All right. Bye.